A painting of a person, holding a painting of that same person, holding the same painting, repeating forever. Ever seen something like that? This effect is basically the golden experience from JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. In real life, it's called the Droste effect. And when you map this idea of infinite visual repetition onto industrial design, you find something remarkable. The silver ratio, root 2:1. Unlike the golden ratio, which is all about visual beauty, the silver ratio has a different quality, stability and continuity. In 1975, the International Organization for Standardization defined a zero paper as 1 square meter with sides in the silver ratio. Fold it in half and you get A1. Keep folding and you get A2, A3, and the A4 paper you use every day. Here's what's remarkable. No matter how many times you fold it, the ratio of length to width stays exactly root 2:1. The practical benefits are obvious: ease to reproduce, and layouts that read naturally across every paper size. One of the greatest design decisions of the industrial age. Now in the digital era, designers spotted another property of the silver ratio. It can efficiently display almost every common aspect ratio at once. 4:3 photos, 3:2 images, 16:9 video, all with high display efficiency inside a single root 2:1 frame. Wait, does that mean root 2:1 might actually be the ideal aspect ratio for a phone screen? A wide format screen built on the silver ratio offers about 50% more effective area when watching 16:9 video compared to a standard phone. In games, vertical field of view can increase by roughly 30%. In portrait mode, information feed apps like RedNote show an entire extra column of content at the same card size. 430 video and photos fill almost the entire screen. And for reading text, the silver ratio was already proven in traditional print. Close in size to a compact pocket booklight. Legible, natural. That's the promise of a root 2:1 screen, built for content. And here's where it gets interesting. What if that wide format screen could also fold? Folding a root 2:1 display in half produces a cover screen with the exact same aspect ratio, root 2:1. The same display efficiency carries over, and most UI layouts and interaction patterns transfer seamlessly between the two sizes. On the large screen, instead of simply enlarging or stretching the bottom navigation bar, the system detects which hand you're using and moves the nav bar to that side. That is what built for content actually means. The silver ratio isn't just a visual trick, it's a structural logic that scales from A4 paper to phone screens to foldable displays. The same ratio, the same efficiency, carrying through every form. Thanks for watching. For more design content, follow the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.